Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue our cue card series with the new cue card. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. The question have been listed here. We'll go through the question answers, then after the cue card, and also the follow-up questions. तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हु योर फ्रेंड इज. एकदम सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. चूज एनी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन एंड देन टॉक अबाउट द बैकग्राउंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं चूज कर रहा हूँ मेरा कोई कलीग, देन आई विल स्टेट वन और टू सेंटेंस लाइक ही इज माई फ्रेंड फ्रॉम लास्ट 4 years. So you will have a background story of your friend. Then after, talk about his name and his family background, or make a background line for your upcoming story. Next question is what the truth was. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको एटलीस्ट 30 सेकंड टू 40 सेकंड्स बोलना है. आपकी पूरी स्टोरी बता दीजिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर यही क्वेश्चन मुझे आंसर करना होता है तो मैं कैसे करता, मैं बताता हूँ आपको. पहले मैं बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी बनाता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ ये हुआ था, या फिर उसने ये गलती कर दी, या फिर ऐसा कुछ कर दिया था. वॉट योर फ्रेंड रिएक्शन वॉज. अगर आपने बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर दी सेकंड क्वेश्चन की, देन आफ्टर यू विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन सो डिलिबरेटली. जस्ट यू हैव टू से कि आपने नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंस उसको समझाए, उसके बाद उसको समझ आ गया, या फिर उसने नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज एंड एक्सप्लेन व्हाई इट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू टेल द ट्रूथ टू योर फ्रेंड. तो इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ आपको अपने बारे में बताना है कि व्हाट वाज द रीज़न, what was the possible reason that you helped your friend or you said truth to your friend. As I have written down here, you will answer something like that, your intimate connection. अगर वो आपका कलीग है लास्ट 2 to 3 years से, या फिर आपका स्कूल फ्रेंड है, तो आपकी रिलेशन जो कि फ्रेंड की रिलेशन है वो बहुत ही गहरी है. तो इस वजह से आपको ट्रूथ बोलना चाहिए उसको, कि उसकी हेल्प हो जाए. और दूसरा आप रीज़न दे सकते हैं कि मोरल ड्यूटी. दैट इज़ आवर मोरल ड्यूटी टू टॉक अबाउट हिज गुड एंड बैड. अगर उसने गलती की तो हमको बताना पड़ेगा, वो ट्रूथ हो गया. तो इसीलिए आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि वो आपकी मोरल ड्यूटी है. दिस वे यू कैन आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चन, एंड व्हेन यू कंबाइन ऑल द आंसर्स इट विल बी योर क्यू कार्ड. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द क्यू कार्ड, लेट मी टेल you that at the bottom of this slide you can see some words. I have written down that because that words can help you to increase your band score and also help you to make a good fluency in your speaking. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्यू कार्ड. One of the fact is that truth cannot be concealed. One day it will pop out. So I prefer to speak truth as much as possible. On this occasion, I would like to talk about an incident when I exposed crucial truth to my friend. His name is Hers, and he is my childhood friend. I vividly remember that it is all about when we were in the second year of engineering. Our semester examination was just a month away when we got our mid semester results. I must have to admit, it was a serious matter as my friend had not passed any of the subjects. He had neglected the importance of the mid semester examination. One more reason was that I marked that he was spending much time on social media rather than study. One day, I went to his home and started discussion about the subjects and exam preparation. Meanwhile, I told him the truth that he is misguided and on a wrong way. I told him that if he continued these things, then it would clearly reflect in the semester exam, and as a consequence, he has to face the unforeseen situations. Initially, he pretended to be cool, but he realized soon the mistakes he made. He thanked me after a few days for making him aware of the situation. Also, he started the preparation for the final examination and cleared it with the flying colors. If I talk about the importance, I believe it was my moral duty to share the truth with him. Otherwise, it could end up somewhere else. So, this is all about the time when I said truth to my friend, which was concerned with his academic career. So the cue card is ended here. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं the follow up questions. We will talk in depth with each and every questions now. The first question is, do you think we should speak truth all the time? आपके पास ऑलवेज दो वेज है कि पॉजिटिवली आंसर कर दीजिए या फिर नेगेटिवली कर दीजिए. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू चूज पॉजिटिव आंसर तो आप बोलेंगे कि आइडियोलॉजिकली ये सही है कि हमको ट्रूथ बोलना चाहिए, बट इट इज़ अ वैलिड अप्रोच in the practical life. No, no one can speak truth all the time. So I will suggest you to give a negative answer with positive arguments. How do you know when others are telling truth? See, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हम आइडियोलॉजिकली देंगे तो फिर कुछ इस तरह से होगा कि we can judge a person by his posture and gesture. We can predict that he is speaking truth or not by watching the eye expressions, his facial expressions, and sometimes a person who is lying to you may get sweat. The third question is, do you think it is important to win the game or follow the rules? If I have to answer, I will say I personally believe that winning the game is really a happy moment, but following the rules are equally important. Sometimes people should tell lies. Do you agree? You can say this question is repeated because there is a question, first question, do you think we should speak truth all the time? So you can answer that as I have said earlier, that speaking truth is not necessary all the time. Sometimes with the given circumstances and the need of time, we have to lie. So the same thing happens with the people. And also there is a question, do you agree? So start with something like, yes, I agreed with the given statement, or also you can say, as I have said earlier. These are the initiating words you can start your answer with. So this way you can complete your cue card. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो टिल द एंड. गाइस आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं कोई एक क्यू कार्ड पे वीडियो बनाऊँ तो प्लीज़ डोंट हेजिटेट टू मेक अ कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक अ वीडियो फॉर यू. सो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.